way for defining a method. Specifier or modifier. Okay. Return type, method name, and parameters. The values you will pass or variables. Okay. Let's see the syntax, then you will understand these specifier, modifier. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is, you know already. Public. This is new void. Void means if you are not returning any value in method, so you will use void. And here we are not returning anything, we are just displaying message. What message we are displaying in this? Welcome to method. Okay, welcome to method we want to display. So here there is no need to write any return type, so you will use void. And this is the name of the method, display message. You can give according to your choice, that if you want to give any other name, you can give any other name. Method name, and here are parameters. Parameters, if you will pass any values like x and y. So this is also called parameters, and here values are passing. But here any values passing? No. That's why these parameters are empty. So this, and here it also written that is no parameters. Okay, that is why here it is written no parameters. This is one method syntax. This is the method of syntax. Whenever I will tell you write a syntax of method, so you will write the syntax first like this. This one, specifier, modifier, return type, method name, parameters. Okay.
Exception list.
And after this you will write, for example,
Exception list.
This it is not in this chapter. Okay.
So what is the use of this?
This you will understand by the program. And after this you will write this example. Public void display message. Okay. That one was syntax, and here is the example. Clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
That public void display message. Now here are returning something in this one. A method to return the cube of a number. Here we are returning something. That's why here we are using integer instead of void. Void means that this is private. Specifier you already know. Integer means return type. This is the name of the method, and this is the parameter list. In this you will pass the value of x. Like if you want to find the cube of any number. Cube of any number like 3, so where you will pass? Here. In x. In x you will pass the value 3 to find the
Value of x.
cube. Okay. And here again you will write return. Return x into x. Why you are writing return? This is the statement for method. When you are returning something.
What is meant by return?
Means this is the value of integer, like this is 3 and 3 is integer. So in method you will get return. In method this is the syntax used. Like it was syntax, specifier, modifier. Okay, so it is also the syntax in method that whenever you are using method with return type, so it will return value. And you will remove this method, it is not called return method. Okay, it's important in method. If you are returning any value, means passing any value. Okay, that's why here you are studying method. That's why here the statement of return. When you don't need to write any method, you will not write this return. Okay, clear? Yes. Now this is method prototype. Method prototype is public void display message. This part is called
Public void display
method prototype. A method prototype is the first line or header of a method. It tells the compiler about the number and type of header that method will take, and the type of data it will return. The method prototype is just the header of the method without the body. Clear? Okay. So this is called method prototype. Now the second is method signature. Whenever you will get the method prototype, you will write the definition and you will write the syntax. Syntax is very important. Okay. So always remember every syntax of every topic. This is the syntax, and again the example. First you will write syntax, and how you will write the example. Public void display message. When you are not returning anything, you will use void, and if you are returning anything, you will use integer or any other data type. Okay, not only integer. Clear, Sukaiya?
Yes.
Huda?
Yes, ma'am.
What about other house letters? Clear? Any confusion? But this is not related to the previous chapters.
Display a message. So now we have to write that public void make string add.
You will write this, you will get the answer. That is the main method. We will use main method.
Ma'am, if in this section we have write just this only that string void make.
Don't need to write that. That is main method. So don't need to write method signature. So what is method signature? The list of parameters along with their data type is called as the method signature. For example, in the method prototype, int, add, num, and these are the parameters. Okay. So int x and int y is the method signature. The signature is the part of the method prototype. Clear both? Method signature and method prototype. Today Shema is absent.
Yes, ma'am. But that is other class.
Clear? Both the method prototype, method signature, and what is method?
Yes.
Okay. Now user defined types of methods. User defined types of methods. After a method has been defined with appropriate prototype, next step is calling the user defined method. So first step is we will write the method. Okay. And how you will call the method?
By using
Return. You will always remember that when you have to call the method, you will call inside the main method.
so two ways are there. Static and non-static.
Static and non-static. The
Yeah.
first is static class method, the non-static instance method.
Ma'am, static one we are using when we are giving the values at the coding time. And so when we are writing the program, so that time we are suppose we are writing the
Public
program.
static void means that one.
Yes, ma'am.
That is main method.
No, ma'am, I'm talking about this static.
Keyword.
Yes, ma'am. Like when we are typing the program, then if we want then we are putting the value. That is called static.
Static talking about keyword.
Dynamic.
That is by like main. Public static main. What is main? Can you tell me?
Important region.
Main. What is main? Public static void main. I is writing the program. The first line you are main method you are writing public static void main. You have not asked me, ma'am, what is main till yet.
Ma'am, Risha ma'am told us that we forward.
This is also a keyword. This is keyword. Open the page number.
Page number ma'am.
Page number 45. Read the definition of keyword here. Open page number 45 and read the definition of keywords. Keywords are a predefined set of words that have special meanings within the compiler. They cannot be used as identifiers in your program, as each one of them is reserved for a special purpose. So here can you find name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is it there? Name?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you?
It is not. No, it is not. No. Static is there. Yes,
And
ma'am.
void is also there.
Void is also there.
Void is also there. Name will be also there. Okay.
Return is also there.
So these are all keywords special purpose for the compiler.
Ma'am, and system is also a keyword.
What is system?
And then we are writing.
Maybe it will be keyword. You have to search.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now it is given here. Do you know that 50 reserved keywords are there? So might be there confusion made.
And system will also be there. Right?
Yes, sir. And then print element.
Print element is a statement. Search if it is there. Statement. Okay, clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
Now everyone write a method with the name of multiply. All of them.
Ma'am, we are going to
Where? Why?
write in class. In the class.
Do you have pencil?
Yes.
Write down your list.
Oh, ma'am, we have print.
You also write down the last page of your book. I want to know that you have understood the word. How you write the
Without getting on what we do, ma'am, that. So what we have to write?
Write the syntax of method with the name multiply.
Ma'am, simple and public static void means string complement.
That is name method.
What we have to write?
Method. The syntax of method with the name of multiply.
Wait, I'll give you wait.
Write it down quickly.
You can use it.